Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about this project we just wrapped up. 2JZ no shit in this little Miata. Just a quick little backstory on this. We'll kind of do a little walk around. Originally designed to be a drag car, but with our local track closing down, customers decided to just keep it as a fun street car, do some local burnout competitions with it, things like that, just hoon around town. We'll talk about a lot of the stuff underneath here in a minute, but customer brought us engine already installed, pretty much just handled the plumbing, intake, and exhaust. So starting out with the exhaust, we did do a 3.5-inch pie cut, just downpipe for now. We dumped it right at the transmission because we don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of it. Just now we might do oval, but really just wanna get this thing running. We're able to squeeze in a wastegate right up in there too, along with a pie cut sick dump. We'll show you that underneath here in a minute. Something a little bit different that we did is an air to water intercooler. And if you're not familiar with air to water intercoolers, I just did a just a tip video on that, so head over and check that out. Give you a little bit more detailed information on that, but probably the shortest cold side I've ever done. I think I've done another one on a twin turbo Coyote before, and they were pretty short runners, so I'm pretty excited. It's always fun when they're straight from that right into the intercooler. So obviously it's custom made, so we made it to fit to spec exactly how we needed it to be. So from there, just loops around, goes right underneath the car, and then comes right back up here, and it's all 3.5 all the way through. This thing's supposed to make some pretty big power, probably over 1,000, 1,200, something like that. Obviously a lot of tight spaces, so we had to continue some pie cuts out of the radiator as well, just to be able to fit this. A little bit of frame notching just to get some tighter clearances and make sure everything is nice and happy. So starting from the custom air to water intercooler, had to get real tricky with a lot of our fittings and stuff. This one was fun, made it super tight just because there's no space. It's a little car. Made some custom bracketry for the heat exchanger, the radiator, got everything to fit super tight and super snug. So coming out of the intercooler, all 3.5, running all the way across and going up into our intake. Again, had to get super creative with a lot of this radiator plumbing because couldn't just go straight out of here. You got our charge piping in the way, so tricky, but we did it. So there's our sick dump wastegate. That's fun, super awesome. A bunch of pie cut exhaust for 3.5 coming straight out of here. That was fun. So in case you're wondering, this is going to be a manual car, which I think is going to be really fun actually, so I'm excited for that. So here's some more of the drag race setup work. A lot of this work was already done in the previous shop. They did a pretty good job with the back half, the roll cage. Again, it was all set up for drag racing, so most of it is drag race spec, but we did help them out with a lot of other things. So the rear end housing they brought to us, it was already fabricated, but we helped pick out some brakes, a strange third member, and some axles, and assembled everything together for him. That way he can get it in the car, get it rolling, and brought over to us. We did install an anti-roll bar as well for them, and just kind of got everything together. Modified the fuel tank that was existing, just kind of made some better bracketry, and I think we shortened it a little bit. It was a little too low. That about wraps this up. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a lot of fun fabricating all that stuff, so pretty excited to see this thing running. Hopefully he'll bring it by soon. We can see this thing rip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.